All right, guys, so I just finished installing all the accessories that I bought for it. um, I wanted to point out a couple of things on here. Let me see. All right, so first one is this little GoPro attachment right there. um, it did not come with this plastic um, gasket or bushing, and so the opening for it was too big for the extension bar. The diameter is bigger than the bar itself, so you're not gonna be able to clamp it down on there. Now, luckily, there was something that, hold on. Yeah, so luckily, this mount for the bar itself had the rubber and plastic bushings, and I didn't need it to attach it to the handle. This is rubber, so I used that for the GoPro mount. So you guys can see it. There's this plastic bushing right there. That's one thing I wanted to point out. This mount also, I think, was a better buy than the other one that I've seen that they were selling, which was shorter. Because if it was shorter, I don't think I would have been able to mount it on the scooter, you know, with this bell right here, and without it getting in the way of the accelerator, I think, because this piece right here would have been shorter. So I'm glad I got this mount instead of the other one I was looking at. The mirrors came out great. You guys can see that. This is actual glass. The surrounding is basically plastic. This is just chrome plastic, but this, that's actual glass right there. All right, and then this camera, phone mount right there, cell phone mount. It's okay. It still moves, and that's probably the tightest I can go to it. But it moves. Now, it's not really a concern. I'm not using it to film, you know, or take videos while I'm on the phone. I just need it to mount my phone. And I have an iPhone XR with a slim case, and it fits right in without a problem. So here's my B-Moto GoPro light camera that I'm going to be using. Yeah, so another one I wanted to point out was this bag that I got for it. It's like a soft shell bag. One thing to watch out for too is my brake line is basically naked after here. So this is the brake line right there. You guys can see it. Yeah, so with this bag, attaching it with the strap, you can go over, I mean put the brake line over it, or the way I did this one was I just put it in between. I just put it in between the Velcro, so it's in the Velcro. Now I don't think it's gonna affect it any. I'm gonna try it out tomorrow, but I don't think it's gonna affect the braking mechanism of it. But earlier I did notice when I had it fully tucked underneath the back of this, that it was getting caught up in there. And so when you pull the brake line, when you pull the brake, the line was getting stuck. So right now I have it in between the Velcro. Okay, that's one. Another one, and same thing down here for the handle. Put the handle here. This one, I didn't have to put it in between the Velcro because the Velcro didn't go all the way to it. So it's outside, so it's not gonna affect the braking line. That's just something to look out for. Like I said, I'm gonna test it out tomorrow. If it does affect it this way, I'm gonna put the strap underneath it, so then the brake line will be over the strap and not in between. But overall, I'm pretty happy with all the accessories that I got for it. I think it's made the scooter look a lot better, but it did add 1 or 2 pounds, I guess. But yeah, can't wait to test it out. This bag, I think it's a good way to be able to carry the charging adapter for it too. So I had to lower down the strap on the bag just so it doesn't block the headlight right there. But I have one more that I was gonna install on here. I think it'll be here by Thursday, and that's the headlight that I'm gonna actually use. I probably won't be using this one, so that it doesn't drain the battery on the scooter while I'm riding. I'm gonna use an external headlight for it. I'll show it to you guys when I get it. But that's it for now. All right, guys.